Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to draw Brokenbrella from Yokai Watch. As we are familiar with Brokenbrella, he is a mysterious tribe yokai. He's from the mysterious tribe, like I mentioned before. And, he only inspirits umbrellas and turns them inside out. He was born from the pain of a flimsy umbrella who wished it was a sturdier model. And anyways, how that pain turned out, I'll show you. You see, Brokenbrella, his pain was, he started out as a regular umbrella, and he waited patiently till it was his turn, and at long last, he waited. His patience has finally come. He finally got his own owner, but unfortunately, that time passed. The guy threw the Brokenbrella when he was alive in the trash and replaced it with another umbrella. He never forgave that guy for what he did. He swore he'd get even. So he grew legs and became Brokenbrella. And when he met Nate, he started flipping umbrellas inside out for him and all his friends. And believe me, he wouldn't stop turning the umbrellas inside out. But with a little help from Nate's good classic yokai pal, Pally-Soul, he managed to train Brokenbrella to be just like everyone else. He was trained to be the ultimate umbrella. Well, that way he wouldn't be able to be broken again. And thanks to all his help, he received Brokenbrella's yokai medal, and they became good pals ever since. Which is why I claimed Brokenbrella to be one of my favorite yokai. Of course, this is my last video before my SD card runs out. At least I hope not. There we go. And when drawing a Brokenbrella, you must draw his head. And there we go. Now we just draw the stem on the bottom of him. And after that's done, we just draw the feet. First, we just draw the hook we just draw the hook. Then we just draw the legs here. Now we just draw his feet. Who would have guessed it? An umbrella with legs. After today, I'm never going to forget Brokenbrella. I know, because I have a few umbrellas that you might like. And believe me, if I ever get an umbrella, I promise to never throw it away. That's a promise I'll keep. Anyways, that's how you draw a Brokenbrella. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll show you guys what awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Leave a comment below on what character I should draw for you all. Until next time, buy yourself an umbrella, because it's a scorcher out here. Or at least until the rain comes. Who knows when it'll arrive.